Hi, this is Sayonachi, um, your local friend here. Now, we'll be teaching about discussing about how you'll be able to monetize your YouTube channel. All you have to do first is to go to your settings and go to your My Channel. Okay. Now, just navigate on those windows that says dashboard, windows, analytics, comments, transcriptions, other features, and also on the settings. Now, the main thing that you need to do is to okay, just a moment. This one I'm on the manager area for uploading because I've just done the registration for monetizing my YouTube. Okay, let me do something else here. Okay, this is my first upload video for you. So please hang on, guys. Thank you. So let me switch back. There you go. Here on Creator Studio, you could try the Studio Beta. That's the previous one that I have given you. And also you could also click on live streaming. You can enable that, you can activate that. Here on my channel, these are the channels that I am subscribed to. Okay, here it is under channel. You go to status and features. Okay, wherein you have make sure that you have verified your name in the YouTube. Okay, and then also you have the copyright status, community guideline status, uploading, monetization. Okay, make sure your uploading is enabled and your monetization is also enabled. For now, it's still not enabled. Even I've gone through it already because it has to be approved. Okay, and also my live streaming is still on hold. I haven't done any live streaming yet. For embedded live streams, you have the still ineligible. For longer videos, it's already enabled. Unlisted and private videos enabled. Custom uh, thumbnails, it's already enabled. External annotation is already enabled. Super chat is not yet enabled. Content ID appeals already enabled, and there are other things that is not yet enabled. Okay, so what is really important for you to be paid in YouTube is you need to have the monetization enabled. So let's click some more. Again, this one is not yet enabled because it has to go through approval process. So learn more. Okay, as you can see, there are three main things that you need to go through. Let me read this to you. For account status, monetization not yet enabled, um, because it would take you can apply for monetization at any time. That is to be reviewed. All channels need at least 4,000 watch hours in the previous 12 months and 1,000 subscribers. So it would take some time unless you gone viral in a moment, in a brief moment of time. This requirement allows us to properly evaluate new channels and help protect the creator community as well. You can click this further if you want to know more about this. If you would apply for monetization, this is the first thing that you need to click on. Your YouTube partner program terms as accepted. You need to accept the terms, okay? I will not be able to show that to you anymore, but there's a portion there wherein you would click on monetization and click on those things that you are that you're that you're good at, wherein you approve it. Then click on submit, and then in order for you to be paid, you need to have an AdSense requested account, and there are some settings associated AdSense account. You can click on that, um, which I have already gone through. Okay, so there you go. It's still pending at this time. Once it is good, then it is already eligible. Then for AdSense settings, okay, you need to, there are some settings that you need to go through. Okay, so we're working on setting you up. I've gone through this previously, and it's still undergoing some approval. Okay, let us go back. So again, it would take 4,000 views and at least 1,000 subscriber in order for you to be paid at least. Okay. So on AdSense, they will also you need to set up on how you will be paid. Okay. In this case, I tied up my my um, Gmail account to YouTube, so that would be the setup. Okay. And also here you would also be setting the filters for the different ads that will be displaying on your YouTube channel. Um, it's not the viewers or the views that are paying you, but the ads. Okay, it's but the more viewers that you have, the more market base that the ads will be. So that's the thing. Marketing is the key to your success. So the greater number of views that you have and the number of subscribers, the more potential that you have a strong market base as well. Okay. So that's about it, folks. In the future videos that we have, I'll be showing you on how you'll be creating and filtering using the simple YouTube um, editors and video manager, so that you can create a good videos in terms of YouTube standards and settings. Okay.